Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.2149 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $70.85 or $248. The earlier day close dollars or $200. The change was 0.51232%. Backwards rate US to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 2,703 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,703. Found the middle value of cost 216. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3.30, change for June 12 1%. US to Doge expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.30 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.30, while low 2,564. Found the middle value of cost 218.51. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,778, change for July 8.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for August 2024. Before all else cost at 2,778 coins. Excessive cost 2,778, while low 2,222. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,540. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,381, change for August 14.3%. US to Doge expectation for September 2024. Before all else cost at 2,381 coins. Excessive cost 2,381, while low 2,241. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,244. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,174, change for September 8.7%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for October 2024. At the outset cost at 2,174 coins. Excessive cost 2,326, while low 2,041. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,179. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,174, change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2024. Initially cost at 2,174 coins. Excessive cost 2,222, while low 1,961. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,110. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,183, change for November 4.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for December 2024. Initially cost at 283 coins. Exorbitant cost 283, while low 1,667. Found the middle value of cost 1,905. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1,786, change for December 14.3%. US to Doge expectation for January 2025. First and foremost cost at 1,786 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,887, while low 1,639. Found the middle value of cost 1,767. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1,754, change for January 1.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 1,754 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,852, while low 1,613. Found the middle value of cost 1,736. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1,724, change for February 1.7%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 1,724 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,786, while low 1,563. Found the middle value of cost 1,685. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1,667, change for spring 3.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 1,667 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,754, while low 1,538. Found the middle value of cost 1,650. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1,639, change for April 1.7%. US to Doge expectation for May 2025. At the outset cost at 1,639 coins. Excessive cost 1,695, while low 1,493. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,604. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1,587, change for May 3.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for June 2025. Initially cost at 1,587 coins. Excessive cost 1,587, while low 1,282. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,457. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 1,370, change for June 13.7%. US to Doge expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 1,370 coins. Excessive cost 1,408, while low 1,235. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,332. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 13 at 16, change for July 39%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 1316 coins. Exorbitant cost 1667, while low 1316. The found the middle value of cost 1466. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 1563, change for August 18.8%. US to Doge expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 1563 coins. Exorbitant cost 1563, while low 1266. The found the middle value of cost 14836. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1351, change for September 13.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for October 2025. To start with cost at 1351 coins. Exorbitant cost 1449, while low 1266. The found the middle value of cost 1354. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 13251, change for October 0%. US to Doge expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 13251 coins. Excessive cost 1613, while low 1351. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14852. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 1493, change for November 10.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 1493 coins. Excessive cost 1563, while low 1351. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14064. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 14049, change for December 29%. US to Doge expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 14049 coins. Exorbitant cost 1852, while low 14049. The found the middle value of cost 1619. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 1724, change for January 19%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 1724 coins. Exorbitant cost 2174, while low 1724. The found the middle value of cost 1916. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2041, change for February 18.4%. US to Doge expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 241 coins. Excessive cost 2381, while low 241. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2171. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2222, change for spring 89%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 2222 coins. Exorbitant cost 2326, while low 2041.